Researchers often stress the unemotional and dispassionate side of INTJs as if normal, natural emotions don't exist. These pundits posit that INTJs have difficulties expressing emotions as well as dismissing how others feel about them. This is a narrow view of these complex intellectuals. In highly stressful and threatening situations, many INTJs have a rush of raw emotions until a logical strategy is constructed for getting things back to normal. They create mountains out of molehills before reestablishing their emotional baseline. This hard wiring within these introverts is a double-edged sword. On one hand, they are prescient about looming events that may have positive or negative effects. On the other hand, until the initial emotions and nervousness dissipate, the projected outcomes are not clear and may lead to fear. To learn more, read the new article, How INTJs Deal with Emotions, by clicking the link below.